Welcome to our video on Microsoft Word tips and tricks. Get ready to boost your document creation skills. Microsoft Word is a powerful tool, and with these tips, you'll learn how to maximize your productivity and create professional documents faster. Let's start with some quick formatting tips that can save you a significant amount of time. Mastering keyboard shortcuts is the easiest way to speed up common actions like applying bold, italic, or underline formatting. The Format Painter is your best friend for applying the same formatting to multiple pieces of text. Double-click it to apply repeatedly. Next, let's explore advanced ways to navigate large documents with ease. The navigation pane allows you to quickly jump between headings, pages, and search results. Use it to keep track of your document structure. Bookmarks and cross-references are powerful tools for creating internal links, making your document highly interactive and easy to reference. Using styles is crucial for maintaining consistency and structure in your documents. It's a game changer for long documents. Apply and modify Word's built-in styles for headings, body text, and lists to ensure a uniform and professional appearance across your document. For unique formatting needs, create custom styles. This ensures consistency and makes updating the look of your document much simpler. Tables are essential for organizing data. Let's look at how to master them in Microsoft Word. Quickly create and format tables using Word's design tools. This helps present complex data clearly and aesthetically. Learn how to convert existing text into a table and vice versa, which is incredibly useful for restructuring content quickly. Word is great for teamwork. Here's how to use its collaboration features effectively. Track changes is a must for editing and reviewing documents collaboratively, allowing everyone to see the modifications made. Adding and managing comments helps facilitate targeted feedback and discussion directly within the document. By using these tips and tricks, you can significantly enhance your Microsoft Word workflow, making you a more efficient and productive document creator. Thanks for watching.